Hey guys, welcome to my channel and I'm Danny here. In this video today I'm going to share with you how to make a Flaming tag in Filmora 11 and I show you the easy way by using free pack from Filmora, so stay there and I'll show you how. So now I'm in the whole Filmora interface, right? And then I go to, first of all I want to make a title first. I go to the title window into the five particle pack title right here. You can find it on the search box right here, and I wrap it on the timeline, right? So I add just a little bit. First I change the text by Flaming, maybe Flaming, right? So now I go advanced and then I go with the font. I choose German regular, right? And here I make it 100, and with less space I make it maybe 5, okay, let this 10, right? So I go to the color, but I choose preset first, and I go to the work art tab right here, and I choose this color to make it the same color with the background, and I'm back to the customize, and right here that's the power of the colors. You can change the color whatever you want, and I make it a little bit lighter by to add the lighter orange, right? You can delete, and I make one more right here with the lighter, to make you feeling the stack or flaming, right? So with the effect, you choose whatever you want, but here I choose this one, right? And I go to the outline. You can add it whatever you want with. I make it blur through and thickify, and outline right here. I want to make it maybe orange to make the text darker, right? So I go to the animation. You can do the light near white like this, and you can drag the play hit to change the animation, and I change it like this. Maybe I make it for 4 seconds, and you take a look, right? Maybe 5 seconds. Slowly appears, right? You see the text. Maybe 4 seconds. That will be fine. Okay, click OK, right? And now, for second part, I go to the element, and I choose the 5 bones 2, right? And you see, here it's come from the right to left, and I want to make it come from the left to right, and I just load it like this, and I make it a little bit small, and you take a look, but it's too fast, and then I want it to slow down a beautiful speed, and then I make it 0.9, right? See that? And one more thing, I want to make it the same line on the one line with the tag like this. Okay, now I choose the 5 break for my flaming, right? And you can find it on the element, both of them on the elements window. That's all free for you. And I make it like this, right? Take a look. right here, maybe right here, when the fire comes, and then take a spheres. Here, fireball. I lock it to easy to adjust my fireball rate. And take a look, right here, and take a look again. You see that when the fireball come, and then boom, flaming fire with fires, right? And I want to add a little bit with a fire break, like I add a transition. I go to the transition window and to roll clockwise and make it like this. See that? You can stretch it for more. And again. You see? And one more thing, I want to make the tag that look, it's really hot, and then I go to the effect and I choose the heat way. I just add right on the tag, and then you take a look. It make a tag you feeling a little bit that really hot, and it had to struggle a little bit. See that? You see that? And you can adjust it for more or less the shocking like this. I might take maybe 3. You take a look again. And see that? So that's how I done with my flaming tag today. And thank you very much guys for watching my video. If you like my video today, please give me the thumbs up and subscribe my channel if you want to see more. Thank you very much again, and see you next video. See ya guys.